Today I'm going to be building a low-cost, high-profit build that anyone can make and sell. And the only power tool you need is a drill. And it has a special twist to it. It's right here listed on my website so you can see the price. And if you want to check it out, you can. And that's the one I'm going to show you how to build right now. So let's get started. Right here is a piece of scrap wood from a 2x4x8. And this is all you're going to need. This one is about 8 inches long. I'm only going to use half of this piece of wood. Grab your tape measure, measure at the 4-inch mark. And now measure 1 inch over, and then from the 1 inch mark, measure another ½ inch over. So from here to here is 1 inch, and then this whole piece is 4 inches, and right here is ½ inch. Now since I have a miter saw, I'm just going to use that, but if you don't have a miter saw, you can just use a hand saw, and I have done it that way before. And don't forget about your safety glasses and ear protection. Like I said, if you don't have a miter saw, you could just use a hand saw and a chisel to cut this piece right here. You don't need a table saw or a miter saw. Now just take your piece of wood, flip it over, and find the center of it. And I'll use this right here to drill a hole right here. When I was drilling a hole for this, I accidentally broke it, but luckily these weren't too hard to build, so I just made another one and we're going to continue. And then you can just grab some 120 grit sandpaper and sand it down. What this does is it's a phone holder, but it also amplifies the sound right here. So let me show you. So you can see it works good, and I did not edit the video or anything like that. And if you're wondering, a 2x4 costs about $4, and you can make about 24 of these from one 2x4. So even if you stain it, and that adds a couple cents to each one you build, it's still going to be around $1 a piece to build one of these. If you just sell it for $10 or $12, you can make $200–300 from one 2x4, and it's almost all profit. It's about 3,000% return on your investment. This is a great project that you can sell online, or you can sell at your craft shows. If you want to buy it, it's right here on my website, or you can build one yourself. If you want to see more fun projects like this, make sure to like and subscribe for more.